Hi there! In this short tutorial we are going to learn how to convert from PowerPoint to PDF. Here is our PowerPoint. So, at the end, we end up with such a PDF. If this tutorial is useful for you, like and subscribe us. Let's convert it. Go to any browser, type PowerPoint to PDF, go to the site, select your PowerPoint, and convert it. It's ready to download. We hope you like and share it with your friends. Comment below your opinion, whether this tutorial helped or not. Thank you for watching and supporting us. Ta-ta for now!